Hi, let's make a winter tree. Okay, so we're gonna make it glow. So fun. So to make the sky, we need the two paintbrushes, the big giant one, and the big one we use the flat side. We don't hold it like a pencil and use the tip. Then we're gonna smear the paint like this. And you look how weird I'm holding my hand so you can get that flat side. And then this just holds like a paintbrush regular. But the two colors we need, the three colors we need are super dark blue, purpley blue, and white. Okay, so open those up. And we're gonna do the tree first. So, no, we could do the star too. But we have to outline it in white. And don't be too detaily. We're totally gonna ruin the tree. It's just the idea of a tree. We're gonna put branches sticking out over the sky and stuff, so don't overthink this. I've seen some of you be all perfect about it. Doesn't matter. Okay, so stab the white with your number 4 medium paintbrush, and we're just gonna outline it. How do you outline with paint? You smash your paintbrush, push hard, and then you'll see one hair stick out on the very edge. That's the one that traces the silver Sharpie. And don't worry about the silver Sharpie, it disappears when we end up making baby blue. Ready? So I'm gonna go next to it. I'm gonna smash next to it, smash. And then I sneak up to it, and oh, there I'm touching. Z, C. And am I being careful about it? No, pretty much gonna ruin all this. Go fast, your paint has to be wet to do the next trick. Smash, 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 Z, Z. More paint, stab. Oh, I'm winning. You guys are all going slow. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Smash, 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 Z, Z, Z. Look at, I'm touching the lines. So, we know what a tree looks like. Ziggy, zaggy, ziggy, zaggy. Yay. Go fast. Push pause if you need to. Now I'm gonna get my purpley blue, and I'm just gonna drop off paint next to this. And I got white in my paintbrush. I don't care. Stab! And go bleh, bleh, bleh. I'm just going next to it. Smash. Oh, more. Thick. Okay. Woo. Okay, now we're gonna mix them together. Now I'm gonna hold it flat. I'm just gonna use this end of my paintbrush. Oh, scribbly, 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 soft, soft, soft. Just where the white touches the blue. Look how zigzaggy it is. It looks bad. We'll go back over it with big paintbrush. See why we weren't careful about our scribbles when we made our Z's? Because it didn't matter. Now put that paintbrush down and find the biggest one. There's no paint on it. Let's just change the texture. Oh, we're floating on top like powder. Nice. Ooh, see what that did? Change the texture. Now let's do the same thing to the star. Stab the white. Smush, smash, smush, smash. Smush, smash, smush, smash. And then put the blue next to it. More blue. And scribble them together without touching the very inside line of the white. So I can use big paintbrush and change the texture. How soft? Oh, so soft. Just the texture. Great. Now let's get the big paintbrush and stab the dark blue and put that next to it. So let's go around the star too. Okay, now where those two meet. So you make a new color where they touch. Let's do it one more time. Oh, I gotta clean my paintbrush. Just get one paper towel. We're just gonna squeeze the extra out. Remember that dry paintbrush works better. Now with no paint on my paintbrush, ever so gently. Oh, powder, 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 powder. Oh, the texture is nice this way. Okay, now let's just paint the rest of this sky blue, and we'll add some purpley blue to it. Bye, black. Do I have to color up all the sky? No, it is a black nighttime sky. Now I'm going to go back over it just for texture. Oh, I got some in my white. Oh, I didn't mean to. Just floating, soft, soft, soft. Uh-oh, I'm stretching the paint. I'm yanking on the paint. Okay, now we're going to use our finger. We're just going to use our fingerprint and touch your white paint and touch your star and hit your tree. Do it again. Find another spot. Touch your star and go around. Ooh. Do it again. Ooh. Maybe little ones. Oh, I ran out of paint. Now I'm just gonna smush that down. So just smush it, smush, smear, smear, smear. Pull down, touch the tree, pull, pull, pull. Oh, smear, smear. That looks pretty, huh? Uh-oh, my finger's dirty. Smashed it. Okay, now we're gonna get our tree maker. This is our tree maker. Oh, you know what I forgot? The snow. I just need some white paint. Dirty blue paintbrush. Stab. Let's make our snow. There's blue in my paintbrush. I know. It's gonna make the most perfect snow, shadowy snow color ever. Don't stir your paint though. Just dunk your paintbrush and push and look at it be the perfect shadowy color. Just a dirty paintbrush is all you need. You don't have to add any blue to it. You just keep smoothing it and smoothing it. Smooth snow. Okay, now we're going to open our green. We're not painting the green of the tree all the way green. We're just going to put branches. So we're going to hold it like this. And we're just going to go tap, 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 tap. Like that. We do not go straight ahead. It'll go and go like that. So just a little tap. And we just make, and just touch your green. We're just going to walk across. Oh, what are those little fluffy things coming out the middle? Ooh. Why is it so flat? We're doing the flat side because it makes needles. See how we did, and we fall out the tree a little bit? It doesn't matter. Do I have to paint the whole thing green? No, just some. I like it when I stick out over. Oh, look at those little stick out branches. It's my favorite. I like the black showing. Looks like a chateau. They're long. And all my lines are I just stretch it across. Look at some black is showing. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap. Ooh, I like it. Ooh, some should touch the snow a little bit on the bottom, huh? The tree is touching the snow. I got some black parts showing still. Now I'm going to put some green on, white on there, but I don't want to ruin all my white. I'm just going to get a little. I'm just going to go like 2 fingers big. Let's go tap, tap, tap. We're going to go back and fix these, but first we're just going to drop them off. They're little snows. And after we drop them off here and there, then we'll go and play with it. Okay, now I dropped some. Now I'm just going to try to fluff them up and go Just change the texture so it's a little bit more floofy. It's still in the exact same spot where you told it to, but it just has a little, they're a bit more rough. I like it when it starts to run out. See that? When it starts to, and it turns to powder. Not pretty. It's like invisible. I still have some parts that are thick and some parts that are thin. We saw black showing. Nice. Okay, now I gotta squeeze this out. What are we missing? Gold. So now I'm gonna open the gold paint. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the gold paint like we did with the white. So I get the gold paint, and just wherever you put those blobs of white, blob for you, a blob for you, a blob for you, blob for you. I keep getting more because I like it thicker. And a blob for you, and a blob for you, and a blob for you. What's going to happen to these? Just a little touchy. I still want them to be gold, but I'm just going to change them to the fluffy texture. I think I want to add some more gold. Look how pretty it is. Here and there. Extra pieces. Oh, fun. Pick it up and drop it off somewhere else. Pick it up and drop it off somewhere else. Okay, now we gotta finish our star. So we're gonna put paint it white first, and we're just gonna make a little triangle at the top, a little triangle at the side, triangle at the side, and a big long triangle in the middle. Now let's make a shimmer shine. Take your white paint and touch the corner and throw your paint, throw your paint, throw your paint, throw your paint. Oh, which shines out. Look at it, scratch. Oh, I'm gonna use my finger. Oh, throw that, oh, throw it. Out, 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 out. Nice. Now I can't touch my tree when I put the gold on her shine, but I just clean my paintbrush and I get some gold. So let's do that thing we did before. Wee. Shine, shine. But you can't touch the tree this time. The tree is wet with green paint. Now I'm going to stretch them. How pretty. And then I'm going to put this on my star. Triangle, 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 long piece. Then throw, out. Out. Throw it with my fingers. Oh, now I want to redo my star a little bit. I lost it. Put white on it. Triangle, triangle, triangle. Oh, there. It came back. I played with it too much there. A little white in the middle of it. There. Oh, now it's back. Okay. Good job, you guys.